Hulu is gradually expanding its new user interface and standalone live TV streaming service to a wide variety of platforms ever since the service was first announced back in May this year. Samsung's 2017 smart TVs are next to receive Hulu's new UI and streaming service. All of Samsung's 2017 smart TV models are receiving this update, which is going to be available for them the next time they launch the Hulu app on the TVs. The live streaming service offers news, entertainment, sports, and more. It costs $39.99 per month and also provides access to Hulu's entire streaming library. The app is already available on several different platforms. That includes the Apple TV, iOS, Android, Chromecast, Xbox One, Amazon's Fire TV and Fire TV Stick, the Nintendo Switch, and even the Xbox 360. You may have noticed that the PlayStation consoles are not on this list. That's because they've only received the updated user interface and not the live TV streaming service. That's because Sony runs its own standalone online TV streaming service called PlayStation Vue, so it can't quite give a competitor space on its own hardware. It's unlikely that we'll see Hulu's live TV streaming service become available on the PlayStation consoles anytime soon. Filed in general. Read more about apps, Hulu and Samsung.